This is how you take apart and clean CHOP's power injector trigger assembly. First off, remove the needles. Then you want to remove the trigger handle. Remove the black cap on the bottom. Remove the spring. Remove the trigger valve. Clean this area with hot soapy water and a lube with mineral oil. You can also remove the trigger handle from the trigger valve body and clean any debris that is built up at the entrance. Put it together just like you took it apart. Trigger valve back in, spring back in, cap back on, trigger lever back on. Check for functionality.